As organizations, what can we do to ensure that our employees are working at their highest potential? There are hundreds of factors that can play into an individual's job performance, and as human resource managers, it is of utmost importance that we understand what these factors are so that we can effectively support our employees. That key question is answered by looking at the model of career development consequences, which according to Lussier and Hendon, highlights how an organization and individuals have a joint responsibility for career planning and development. We must understand that individual employees go through a series of mentality changes towards work throughout their career, and within each of these changes, employees have different needs that need to be met by the organization. The result of a successful balance will result in a worker continuing to be motivated and produce results for the organizations. There are 4 different stages that the organization needs to be aware of. In their book, Lussier and Hendon mention 4 stages an employee will be at throughout their career. An employee could be in the exploration stage, where they're still finding out exactly what meets their personal needs, working to identify their interests, and evaluating the skill sets that they'll need to accomplish those interests. An employee could also be in the establishment stage. These individuals have typically entered into a career and have become concerned with building a skill set, developing connections, and advancing their career. An employee could then be in the maintenance stage, where they'll prioritize personal satisfaction in the jobs that they perform. We typically see these individuals prioritizing mentorship and training roles. Finally, an employee could be in a stage called disengagement. We'll typically see lower engagement at this stage, as the employee is focused only on work that they feel is necessary and worthy of their attention. An employee in the establishment stage would appreciate being given advanced projects that push them to develop their skill sets and hone their knowledge. An employee in the maintenance stage would appreciate being given a senior role where they can train new employees and support the company by honing new talent. An employee in the disengagement stage, we could support the employee by giving them specialized tasks that they care to do. By identifying which stage an employee is in, an organization can create plans to successfully support their employee. By having a plan, an organization and the employee can both benefit from increased productivity as well as increased job happiness.
Created using Powtoon.